What's up, yo? Been a little while. Today we're making cross members. Setting them up on a jig, tacking them together. Starts off as a bunch of angle iron, a couple of plates. Set it on the jig table. Measure it all out. We're gonna put a tax right there. Now these cross members get 1/4-inch wheels. Wrap around. We're gonna wrap around. These a couple already got tacked together and made. All need to go to blast. Yeah. Happy Friday, y'all. Enjoy the likes, the views. Appreciate it. Hope y'all have a blessed day. And all y'all mothers watching, happy Mother's Day tomorrow.